Hi guys, welcome back again. So today is day 51 of the 100 days of DevOps series. So here the left title is HQ rolling updates in Kubernetes, right? So if you are ready, I'm also ready. So let's go. So let's start it. So as usual, when I had to wait around maybe 30 seconds for DevOps lab. I don't need this. Okay, so we will read the given instruction right here. So an application currently running on a Kubernetes cluster employs the nginx web server. So the Natalia's application deployment team has introduced some recent changes that need deployment. Alright, that's fine. So they crafted an image nginx:1.19 with the latest updates. That's great. So here HQ a rolling update for this application, integrating the nginx image. The deployment is named nginx-deployment. Alright, so they already done the nginx deployment before, but now we're gonna have to roll again for the update new update, right, for this application. So but this time the nginx image version is image name is nginx:1.19. So ensure all ports are optional post update. So notice that the kubectl utility on the jump host has been configured to work with the Kubernetes cluster. So let me check. First of all, let me check. Okay, let me copy all of these things. We need to check the Kubernetes deployment list before. So kubectl Kubernetes get deploy nginx deployment. Yeah, you see that this is nginx deployment and status ready. Available is 3. This is 2 minutes and 6 seconds ago. So but we have to update that deployment image right here, integrating nginx:1.19. So okay, let me copy all of this sentence and I will find in the Google how to execute for a rolling update from CentOS terminal. So you already know that my habit is never trying to remember the command lines and sentence. So we had to run this image, this comment, update the deployment image. So run the command below to trigger the rolling update. This replaces the existing container image with the version 1.19, right? So here you can check it out. So we will run this kubectl and set image. We need to update the image. So here deployment is nginx deployment. So we need to give the correct deployment name right here, and then we have to give the correct name for the nginx image. But I think I confused you. This is nginx-container. How to check the Kubernetes container name from the CentOS? Let me check that. get ports. I can run this command. Let me check that. So so we need to replace the nginx-container with the actual name. Okay, let me run this command. Container name is nginx-container. Alright, that's fine. That's fine. So that's correct. So we don't need to fix this. Alright, so okay. Okay, so we successfully update for the image. Okay, what is the next step? So the next step is we have to rule out the status to monitor the rollout status. So let me check this. So here, kubectl rule out and status, and we check for the deployment, nginx-deployment. So here, the rule out status is successfully. Here, it is successfully. Okay, that's great. And so the third step is we have to verify this, running this command for the final. So here you will see that. So it is here. It stay running, status running. That's great. Here with the specified IP address. So finally we did it, right? So yeah, that's it. Okay, let me check with this comment. Yeah, the posts are running with a new image version. So let me check with this one. Yeah, so here, so image is nginx 1.19. So for this lab, we just only have to change the nginx image. So that's it. So let me check it out and click confirm. Yeah, easy peasy, right? So yeah, that's it. So we successfully complete the challenge. So if I can do it, you can also do it too. So the only thing that I consider is that, here to check the nginx-container name. So if this name is wrong, we get into trouble, So we need to give the nginx-container to replace. If it is not correct, we need to replace with the existing container image. Sorry, this is that. Yeah, okay, so that's it. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you in the next coming video. Peace out, guys.